This one is down about it. Think this is mad good. That
Well, it's an amazing. It's like water.
yeah, but if it's a vomit.
Jazzy.
Stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let you in this club.
True, Jazzy, true. Oh my gosh. Good job, true.
Oh, so it's way on this side.
Kind of was it?
Oh no, I
So we didn't scan twice.
Thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Yeah. Come do what you
Jazzy. Yes, you jumping?
It's been a minute since we last kicked it. By the way, just got in town, and I won't let you in this crowd. It's all in the sky, ruin my vibe.
just as bad as the children.
This is carrot. Hello.
what song? So I'm just in Starbucks right now.
No, quiet.
That is smelling hard. I wouldn't say I would buy it all the time, but but I would say it's a solid high 0 out of 10. You know, it can still pass.
Zero, no? And
It can pass.
I got the iced chocolate oat espresso. Wait, I put my coconut milk. What's a lemon cake? This tastes so good. Some juice? Y'all
There's
sleep.
juice.
Oh, the sleep on the lemon cake. It tastes so good. No cap. And there's my pea. With my amazing coffee. Well, this is amazing.
It's like water.
Jazzy, you on the beach? Say hi, guys. Zan. Mommy, let me just please. It's right by your leg. Not yet now. Okay, so we now buy double in the food court in the airport. It have this one. What's the name? Honey and Sons. And it have this one. Okay? This one, bust it. The other one, no. This one is down about it. It is mad good. That well done. It is looking like it is because she like the plate, but she don't know taste. She tastes malfunction. If you want to buy doubles one, yeah, buy from that one. Oh my god, not even just. So we just went to this place called Tango Me, and we buy baklava, which I don't know what I even taste it. And we buy Mountain Dew, Spark, and we buy so much flavor. Where's this Cheez-Its? Cheez-Its? Didn't even say that at the front of the box? Yeah. Alright, Cheez-Its, do bacon and cheddar. So you can taste and see everything tasting. It's how it is baklava looking. Ooh. It's very sweet. It's very, very, very sweet. Taste it, G. It's real sweet.
It's like
Just say it, right?
it's a bit too sweet for me. Very good.
Thank you.
Okay. The cheese. I'm just eat it.
But I feel I have to.
How many are the boxes?
I feel I really want to.
Oh, it's like okay, so it's like
Version.
all mixed up. Look at that. I'm assuming. Wait. Okay, so this is the bacon. This one's the cheddar, the orange one. Yeah, it's like I'm meat on it.
No pasta.
Bacon with this is like a meat on
Is the
it.
bacon one?
Yeah, this is it. This is really a meat on it, huh? Is it? And with cheddar. The cheddar. Bacon cool though. Okay, now that open this one. But that baklava too damn sweet, like Jesus Christ.
Yeah, what?
I carried out now.
What the baklava?
Yeah, but I have to vomit.
But if you see, I'll show you the video when you make it. Watch the video of Prudence making it.
Not the sweet one.
That's really like my video.
Sugar and more sugar.
I'm gonna miss it. I just said. I good?
Yeah.
This is like medicine.
Juice.
Just now.
It's not just like Mountain Dew, but it tastes like
Ooh.
Is that?
like an energy
Nah, this
drink
slaps.
actually.
This is in Ragan. It really, yeah, it really is like Mountain Dew. This is like Mountain Dew. ain't
You
you?
find it's like Mountain? I don't find.
I find so. They're good. $10. That one good. That one good. That one good.
Some juice. Some juice.
I like that.
Some
I'm
juice.
looking at my site now, but just going through like my life goals, I guess I could say 2022 goals. I actually write this down like beginning of the year, and I kind of put on the book. So just kind of going back through it now, remind myself of certain things, and like you see what's up on my list YouTube. I didn't even think I was gonna be doing YouTube right now. So the fact that I write it, I'm gonna actually doing it, not even thinking about like it wasn't like a forceful like, oh, this is my book, so I go and do it. It just like ended happening. Like that how manifestation is. It's so crazy. Like write it down and believe it, and it would happen without even like forcing it. I never thought I'd start back YouTube, especially this year. So that is so crazy. Like I'm so happy. So yeah, I try not to get too much expectations because I know expectation does ruin joy. It can go with the flow, go how it go. But I just so excited. So yeah, follow your dreams. Wherever you think you don't know what you want to do with your life, you know what you want to do with your life. But always that one thing over everything ringing out your head. And YouTube always be ringing out in my head. So cheers guys.